All right, you're at a party, you don't know how to make friends. Let me tell you how. Let's say you're, for example, at a birthday party or whatever. You don't know anybody there. Somehow you got invited. Maybe you know the host, maybe you don't. What are you going to do? First of all, remember that the whole point is to meet people. Okay, so it's not weird to introduce yourself and to meet new people. That's what is expected. That is what you should be doing. Okay, that's one thing. Oh, before I forget, I also share tips like these in my newsletter, and if you sign up for it, you'll get a free guide on how to make friends, so check out the link below. Another thing, especially if you're feeling awkward and anxious, and you're worried about what people are going to think of you or whatever, put that aside, and instead of being worried about being comfortable, focus on making others comfortable. That's going to make it way easier. You can forget about your own discomfort. Worst case scenario, you're still uncomfortable, but you've made others feel comfortable. Best case scenario, you've made others feel comfortable and you don't feel uncomfortable anymore. Okay? So what you want to do as well is you want to be comfortable, you want to be okay with interrupting people's conversations, because it's very possible you'll get there, everyone is already talking with each other, and nobody is standing by themselves. So in that case, you just need to jump in and interrupt the conversation to introduce yourself. Okay? So I have a whole video about this that you can check out, but basically just go up to them. You don't have to wait until there's a silence. Because at some point you just got to jump in. You're like, hey, is it okay if I interrupt? Cool, my name is Matt. What are your names? And then you can say, so what were you guys talking about before I interrupted you? It's that easy. Now, the other thing is, I want you to set yourself a goal of approaching at least 5 new people. Which, by the way, is super easy, especially if you jump into a conversation that already has 3 people in it. Bam, that's 3 people. You just need 2 more, okay? Like, it's ridiculously easy. Like, if you can't even do that, why are you watching this, right? The other thing I want to share is, like what do you actually talk about with someone new? Well, if you're at a party and maybe, like, everyone knows the host, maybe you can be like, so how do you know the host? Or you're talking to 2-3 people, you're like, so how do you know each other? That's a great opener. It's just, it can lead to many different kinds of conversation. It's better than what do you do? You can ask that later if you want. It's kind of a boring question, but it's just a good way to start a conversation. And that's all you need to know, really. It's not that complicated. Go out there, go to a party, make some friends. It's gonna be okay.